Alright, beauty people, well, in this video I'll be moving my items from my backyard garden to my front yard garden because the front yard garden is where I'm gonna be going forward. My lips are ashy, but it's okay. Let's get to this video. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 Okay, beauty people, well, in order to do so, I must go to the backyard and move those things to the front yard, okay? So let's go to the back. Okay, so now that I'm back here, I'm gonna start off by taking the stands first, and that's the stands for these here 5-gallon buckets holders. I'm gonna take those up to the front first, and then I'll struggle, but with strength, take the buckets up to the front as well, because y'all know these bad boys are heavy, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. And the plan right now is to have for the white ones to be, well, let me just show you what I'm talking about. Stands first, okay? One step at a time. This is what happens when you give a gardener some time and some space and opportunity. Look at this, y'all. I created these sunken buckets, okay? And you know, it's been a week since I planted my cucumber seeds, and they haven't sprouted just yet, so I won't transplant them over until I have a nice 2-leaf system on my cucumbers, and I'll put them in the sunken buckets, okay? So that's, you know, that's what I was going for. I didn't like how it just like set up and like was just like all obstructing and things like that as far as a walkway and the visual eye. And so yeah, sunken buckets done in the middle of doing the bucket transfer and the whole garden transfer. So okay, let's get back to it, y'all. Okay, beautiful people, well, we have a completed project. Oh, yes, indeed. Okay, so obviously there's one bucket missing, which I have two now because of the sunken situation that I did over there. And so I have one here, and then I have another one available and ready for next situation, which I'll probably do some 5-gallon buckets over here. And so you know, I'll do a 2-tier system. I broke the 2-tier system down to do a 2 side by side, thinking of course I would be in the backyard and that would be ideal and best for the whole situation and environment. However, with me moving to the front yard, I think the 2-tier system will be perfect because the sun goes over like so, and so hey, it'll come over and hit it just the way it needs to and the way I would have desired it to in the backyard. But nonetheless, hey, it's all good. You know, I'll bring you along that journey, retransforming the 2-tier system from the half situation to again a 2-tier system. So you know, the wood is already there. I just have to reconfigure it yet again to its original form. So hey, no problem, no problems there. So hey, there's where the other buckets will go. And as you can see, I have some things down. I won't tell you too much because I will be moving the other parts of the garden. Okay, so make sure y'all tune back in next week. Yes. It'll be next week. You'll get to see me lay this down. You'll get to see me move the raised beds. You'll get to see me do the filling of the raised beds and all that good stuff and how that all goes. Okay, so stay tuned, stay locked in, okay? I love you all, I appreciate you all, and thank you, man, for just being a part of my random projects and random journeys. But at the end, I have an idea that I want to bring to fruition, and I'll bring you all along the journey with me. So with that being said, I love you, be great, have fun, do some gardening this weekend. Don't just watch me, try it yourself. And realize, hold on, pause. Know that with these buckets, I'm doing buckets too to show people who don't have yards that you can still garden as well. Don't think that because you don't have a yard or anything like that or any permanent dwelling place that you can't garden. No, these 5-gallon buckets are indicative and a reminder to you all that no matter what space you have, you can still garden and grow fresh produce. Grow buckets on the inside of your home by a windowsill or on your patio. You could do that as well. And hey, know that there's an opportunity for you to grow as well. So this is a reminder. At the end of the day, like I said, I love you. See you all next week. Peace.